Home Remedies presents Simply Amazing Remedy to Get Rid of Dark Spots. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I am Rabia and in today's video, I will share with you an amazing and super easy remedy for your skin whitening and to get rid of dark spots that you can try right away. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. Tomatoes alone work great for skin whitening, but when used in combination with turmeric, the results are pretty awesome. Tomato juice is a great source of citric acid, which helps in exfoliating the skin and removing the impurities, thus lightening pigmentation. You will need 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 tomato. Take a tomato and cut it into 2 halves. Take 1 half and dip it in the turmeric and spread evenly on the surface of the tomato. Now rub this tomato slice over the skin for 5 minutes. While doing so, squeeze the tomato as well to extract the juice of it and continue to gently rub. After 5 minutes, leave on to dry for 5 minutes before you wash off. Apply to clean skin until it is dry and watch the magic. You can use this 2 times a week, so bring tomatoes to your rescue and use them efficiently in your skin care regime. Start right away and see the magical effects on your skin in no time at all. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.